Are you one of those web designers that keeps focusing on the faults, right? You're creating a page, you're looking at a spec, or you're designing something, and it just does not feel right. You think there's a problem. There might not be a problem, but it's niggling away at you. If you focus on the problems, you're just going to paralyze progress. Trust me, even I'm guilty of this. There's always something that could be better: a button, a pixel, a font that feels slightly wrong, a layout that could be perfect with a few more tweaks. But the truth is, you're chasing perfection, and often that keeps you or stops you from moving forwards. Instead, run with what works. Focus on crafting solutions that align with your goals and what resonates with your audience. Does it meet the spec for the client? If you love it and it serves its purpose and the client's okay, that's enough. Improvements come with time, iterations, feedback from the client or other people, not deliberation. Now, you could have done more. Believe me, every time I work on anything, I feel like, could I have, flexed it a bit more? Could I have tweaked the font or whatever? But web design is not about flawless execution. It's about problem solving. Here's the spec, here's the brief. What do you need to do to tick that off? And later on, you can go and improve it. Build what you need to build, launch it, get feedback, sleep on it, and then go back to make changes if you want. Because when you get things out the door, your confidence will build because you've got it out the door. But if you just keep sitting on it and you keep messing around and dragging your mouse and getting reviews and scratching your head, you lose confidence in your ability. Getting feedback is important. Getting sign off from the client is important. But just get it done and then have a think about if you need to do more later on.